In front of me is Rhino 1 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on Display section available here. Then scroll again, this time to tap on Display Size and Text. And when you're ready, operate this slider under text size to adjust it. Following that, go back. As you can see, after a few seconds, size of my text has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!